Going on, bro chachos? Today I've got a very special video. I've decided to record me opening some Pokemon packs. Something I thought I'd never get back into, but here I am. Today I'm going to open the Lost Thunder, Unified Minds, and a special Team Rocket booster pack. Hopefully I can get something good and officially get back in to collecting these cards. Okay, hopefully I'm doing that one right. Ooh, Mantine, Girafarig, Mixed Herbs, Diglett, Natu, Chikorita, Pachirisu, Hoppet. Oh yeah. A Heat Factory, Lapras, and an Energy. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Okay. So far, so good. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Loser. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Relicanth, Blue Tactics, Lampent, Cottony, Fermantis, Sawaddle, Marini, Litwick. Oh, that's Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh. Okay. And now, for the piece de resistance, this thing cost me $100. An old Team Rocket pack. Oh. Oh, 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 hello, oh, oh. There's a bit of a crease on it. I hope that doesn't affect the cards at all. Oh, ooh, oh my god. Okay. Oh, shit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hopefully that's the right way. Oh, Dark Charmeleon, Dark Machoke, The Boss's Way, Meow, Oddish, Psyduck, Slowpoke, Voltorb, Squirtle, Ponyta, and Dark Arbok. Ooh, very nice. Look at that.